Okay, here we go for daily drawing 29, and I was wondering how I was going to do this, whether I was going to make it from the side and then cut this hole in it, or make it from the top and extrude the holes in the side. I decided to make it from the top so that I could just center the hole and wouldn't have to dimension where the hole is. So maybe that's easier, maybe it's not, but that's what I'm going to do. This is 2 wide by 1 in this direction, and it's also 1 in this direction, and it's a 0.35 hole in the middle. So I'm going to center it around there. So let's get going. I'll do the hole first. The hole is once again 0.35. Like I said, could have done the side and put this in last, but decided to do it this way. Neither way is necessarily right. So this is, what did I say, 2 across the top. And if I dimension, this is 1. Okay, and so I can already go and extrude, whoops, and I'm going to extrude 1. And then I am going to, I just did that because I'm going to draw on this side, create a sketch on this side. So I'm going to put the boxes in, and then I'm going to have to I'm going to make it bigger because one, it's way too small. And this is why it's really nice to work with a mouse, because you can just turn the button. And then I'm just going to put these boxes in. So, not in the right place, but I'm going to so it's 0.25 from the top, and it's 0.25 from the bottom. So I'm going to dimension 0.25, boom, and then here and 0.25, and then it's 0.125 in this dimension, so 0.125, so it's a skinny little thing. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I'm going to dimension again, D 0.125, and then, whoops, is that right? No, that was 0.25, whoops. Let's try that again. Oops, it's not. Okay. Taking those constraints out. So that's 0.25. Let's try that again. D 0.25. There we go. And then 0.25. And then 0.125. That's where 0.125 comes in. Okay, and we're just going to do this one the same way. And it is, whoops, way skinnier than that, but that's okay. It's 0.25 deep. So dimension 0.25. And then it is 0.75 from each end. So See how far off I was, yeah. Way off. Okay, way off. But it didn't matter. Okay, so the same thing here. I'm just drawing this friggin' square. And this one is 0.2. No, it's not. Hold on. Where is the dimension? Oh, 0.325. .325. See, that's the bigger one. And it is 0.325 from each end. So 0.325, and it's 0.325 from this end. 0.325. Now, all I have to do is extrude, finish my sketch, and extrude those all as holes. Extrude as a cut, and it's going to be a cut, and it's -1 inch, -1. 0.0. And if we look, that took me a little more time because I had a little, but it's done. Make sure to save.